Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Claude in Google Chrome. Okay, so let's dive in. First of all, just open your Chrome web browser. Now go on the search bar and you have to type over here Chrome Web Store. Now press enter. Go on the first website, Chrome Web Store. And now go on the search bar and type here Claude. Alright, press enter. Select Claude, the first one. Now click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, wait for a few moments and it will be automatically added to your extension. Now open a new tab. As you can see, the extension is added. Click on this puzzle icon on top right corner and pin this extension right over here. Now click on the Claude icon on top right corner. As you can see, you have to log in with your account. Now, important thing to keep in mind that if you are using this extension, you have to be on a paid plan. You can't use this extension without being on subscription. You have to buy a Claude subscription, then you will be able to use Claude. Alright, I'm going to log in with my account. Click on authorize. Okay, open a new tab. Open your Claude again. Understand, next, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, that's how I can use my Claude. I can access models from here, Opus, Sonnet. I can change the thinking level from low to max. Now I can also just add any files, video, images I want from clicking on this plus icon right over here. Okay, now if you want to change any settings of Claude extension, just go on top right corner, click on this three dots and click on extension settings. Okay, so from over here you can change permission, shortcuts, option, and you can log out with your account. So that's it for the video. That's how you can use Claude in Chrome. It will help you in many ways. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.